Hey friends, Brian with Trend Motors Volkswagen here, and with us today is this, words cannot describe how beautiful this 2020 Tiguan SEL Premium R-Line, finished off in stone blue metallic. This is incredible. All right, so this is gonna be part one, just a walk around of the exterior. Now the R-Line is the sport appearance package that can be applied to certain Tiguan models. The SEL Premium, of course, is the top dog of the trim lines. So with that, you get these 20-inch split 5-spoke wheels. You got the lower body color skirts there, if you will. You have the R-Line front bumper with the wider air intakes, if you will, on the lower front fascia. R-Line badge grill, grill badge. And then the SEL Premium, you have the LED headlights. You got the LED daytime running lights there, this with the signature look. Up top, silver roof rails, panoramic sunroof there. I mean, this is just, let me back up here. I want to give you a moment to just take it all in. All right, let's keep moving. You got power folding side view mirrors there. The color really just pops. Outback LED taillights. This is a 4MOTION all-wheel drive. It's a 2-liter turbo as well. It's got the keyless access, push button ignition, all that stuff. You have all the host of safety features. Sharp body creases, very nice there. So again, this is the 2020 Tiguan SEL Premium R-Line here at Trend Motors Volkswagen. We are at 221 Route 46 West in Rockaway, New Jersey. Find us online, trendmotorsvw.com, and on all social media outlets at Trend Motors VW. Thanks for viewing, and next one up is going to be the interior.